How to fix audio delay in VLC Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for VLC for Android on your device. Now, as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, rather there's only option of open, which means we have the latest version of VLC Android on our device. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the VLC application on our device. Then tap on App Info, and as you do that, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and you'll be able to clear cache and your data as well. Then go to the app permissions and then make sure that you toggle on all the required options such as files and media, and then go back and give access to microphone as well. And now you can just go and launch the VLC for Android application, and maybe your audio delay application or the issue will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.